ferrous because cutting the fish in line. Cutting the fish in line.
Hi guys, welcome to SabiMakeAm YouTube channel. Today we're going to learn how to make perfumes. Let's look at some of the ingredients we're going to use. Alright, we're going to use perfume concentrates. Now these perfume concentrates are made by a process called distillation process. Okay, so this is our perfume concentrates. We have different types, but I've decided to use some, which is, you can decide to use your own. We have black oud, we have different types. We have lavender, we have different fragrances that suits you, that you like. So you can just step into any shop and get the concentrate. Then the next thing we're going to use here is our menthol. Menthol will help you spread the fragrance of the perfume. And then we also have our alcohol, which is methanol. Sometimes I add ethanol too. It helps to retain the fragrance of the perfume. So this is the quantity. I'm going to use 100 ml of perfume, okay, and add to a little glycerin. This is also to help with the fragrance, to make it last longer a bit. So I add my 100 ml perfume already measured to my glycerin, which is 1 teaspoon. The next thing I'm going to do is to measure out, take out a pinch of my menthol. A pinch, just a little, because if you use so much, it tends to hurt the body. So I dissolve it in my alcohol. I use my alcohol to dissolve it. Remember, I used just 100 ml of my perfume, my mixed body fragrance. Now I am going to add just 50 ml of my alcohol. Now the quality of your perfume is dependent on the quality of your concentrate, and it's also dependent on the quantity of the alcohol you tend to add. So I'm going to mix that all together. Okay. I'm going to allow it and store in a nice bottle. There you have it. It's really easy to make your perfume. You can make it at home. Okay, so here you have your perfume. It's very easy to make. You can make it by yourself at home. You see, this one can last you for a whole day. The fragrance can last on your clothes for the whole day. So here you have your finished product. You can decide to use any package you want, any bottle you want. Okay. Wow, it smells so nice. Thank you for watching our channel.
Make una no forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel at SabiMakeAm, or follow us on our social media platform at SabiMakeAm, or you fit even call us for this number. Thank you.